Let's learn the expression بستحلي شي مرة, which we use a lot in Lebanon. بستحلي شي مرة. Make sure you type it in the comment box because when you write things, your brain memorizes information. Let's start by breaking it down. بستحلي is a verb. بستحلي, there's a ha and it's 3 syllables. بستحلي, it's related to the adjective حلو, which literally means beautiful or sweet. That's why when you say بستحلي, you're literally saying I find something sweet, but we also use it to say I find something nice, I find something beautiful, I enjoy something. It can even mean I crave something. بستحلي. The verb also can be used in the past. استحليت. استحليت. It's 2 syllables and there is a ha. استحليت. For example, استحليت فنجان قهوة. استحليت فنجان قهوة. I felt like a cup of coffee, which means I find it nice to have a cup of coffee. That's why now I'm having a coffee. استحليت فنجان قهوة. Now, if we go back to the expression in the present tense, to the verb in the present tense, بستحلي. بستحلي شي مرة literally means I find it nice that once something happens. شي مرة means once or one day. In this context, it's once. بستحلي شي مرة. It's a phrase that on its own cannot be used. It has to be followed by another phrase. It means you never do something. For example, بستحلي شي مرة توصل على الوقت. I find it nice that just once you arrive on time. It's a way to say you never arrive on time. بستحلي شي مرة توصل على الوقت. You never arrive on time. So when we're saying it, we don't mean, oh, I find it nice that you... No, it means you never arrive on time. You see how Arabic is logical and how we use things completely meaning something else, but to imply something else? بستحلي شي مرة توصل على الوقت. You never arrive on time. Let's give another example. بستحلي شي مرة يتلفن. بستحلي شي مرة يتلفن. I find it nice that he calls once. No, it's a way to say he never calls. بستحلي شي مرة يتلفن. So now you know how to use the expression بستحلي شي مرة to say to someone or about someone that they never do something.